it's Ashley from WTI. If you love a good smelling candle, then I highly recommend the Yankee Candle. This is in Lilac Blossoms, and as you can see, I've used about half of it. It smells amazing. A couple of the features that I really love about this candle is the fact that it's a high quality, well-made candle. It comes in very sturdy glass here with a nice thick glass top. And I like that it has 2 wicks inside. So you get the ultimate smell coming through your house with a double wick candle. I also really appreciate the fact that it burns evenly. And you will find that in a well-made, high quality candle that it will burn evenly. Some other candles will just burn in the middle, and then it's really a waste of your candle because when it gets all the way down, you can't do anything. So not only does it smell amazing, it's a great size, and it leaves my house with a very cozy feel to it. It is, Yankee Candle is known for making wonderful candles. So this would be great for your house, for a gift. I'm really impressed with it, but that's just my point of view.